Hey everyone, it's Elle from Weet, and we're going to talk about a way that I use Notion to organize my day-to-day remote work. So there's many things I use Notion for, and one of those things is task records. So I like to record what I do every single day. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I organize it by week, and if I click into, we'll do this week, for example, I've got every single day of the week so far, and I just have a quick bullet point for the different tasks I completed. I do this for a few reasons. One, for me, I like to know what I'm doing and have a record of that. Two, for my superiors, like if I ever meet with my manager, I can show that person exactly what I'm working on. I can even share this Notion page with them so they can always have access to what I've completed, which is nice for everybody. Third, I do this because we have weekly meetings at Weet here where I update my colleagues on what I'm doing. I don't really want to have to remember all 100 plus things that I did, and I don't want to forget anything important, so I like having it written down. So that's just a few reasons why I like to do this. And next, I'm actually going to show you exactly how I do this. All right, so now we're going to learn how to actually make this. So from my main page right here, so this is kind of my main page, these are my sub pages. I'm going to hit this little plus button. Then I'm going to go down to list. I want this to be a list. So I'll name this weekly task list. There we go. From here, I want to create a template, and I'll show you why. It'll just save us a lot of time. So I'll hit new, and then new template. I'll name my template just task list. How about that? So here's what I want each week to look like. I hit backslash and select bulleted list. Gives me a bullet. There we go. And I am a dork, so I want to change this to a heading to make it look a little prettier. And then, super simple, I'm going to copy all this, and I'm going to paste it a couple times over. So I'll simply change this to Tuesday, this to Wednesday, and you kind of see where I'm going with this. I won't do the last 2 days. So I named it task list. I'm just going to click out of here. So I've got my weekly task list. Let's say I want to make one for next week. We'll pretend I'll say week of, we'll just say January 20th. So you'll notice now, instead of starting with a blank page and having to redo what I just did, I can hit this task list. That's the template I just made. And let it think for one moment. Boom, there we go. So now I can just, that automatically populates. I can write what I did today. So let's say I responded to emails. We all do that every day, right? Click outside of here, there's week of January 20th, and I just keep making new task lists for the different weeks. Week of January 27th, we'll just say. Click outside of there, and it's just going to keep going. So that is one way that I use Notion to manage working from home. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.